Hey there, the team over at Enhan has sent over a 3-pack of their flashlight slash night lights. These have multiple ways you can use them. So let's take a closer look at them and how they can light up the night. So here's an up close look at the flashlight. It's 2 pieces, the base portion that plugs into the wall, as well as the flashlight itself that just slides on and off the base, and everything is controlled from the 1 button on the light. When you press the button the first time, it gives you the flashlight mode where it comes out of the front. When you press it the second time, it gives you that warm light on the side. If you press it a third time, it will do a flashing light on the front. And when you press it again, the power will be off. This also has multiple modes for being used as a night light, where you can have it in high mode, low mode, or it can be off and the sensor will turn it on as something walks by. The light will remain on for 20 seconds before returning to the mode that you've got it set in. If you're looking for some flashlights for multiple rooms of your house, maybe the kids' bedroom so they have a flashlight nearby, maybe in the garage, maybe in the basement or the attic that has a plug-in so there's always something handy, then I hope this video helps you decide if these are a good product for you.